How's it going, guys? My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and in today's video I'm talking to you about this fabulous variety of mint. It's called pineapple mint. Yeah, don't adjust your sets, it really is called pineapple mint. The leaves have got a really strong pineapple aroma. You're going to notice that as I'm filming this video I keep touching the foliage and absorbing the aroma of this fantastic variety. That's because it's one of the really beautiful sensory plants that we grow here at Urban Herbs. I can't get enough of it, so please excuse me if I get a bit distracted as I'm talking to you. Pineapple mint does contain a beautiful cross between mint and pineapple. The pineapple comes across and it really is a beautiful fruity flavour. That gives you so many options in the kitchen. I mean, let's be honest, we're talking about cocktails here, right? You can put it in a cocktail, really good in a strong drink or a summer drink. You can make a herbal tea with it. It's a beautiful pineapple flavoured tea that this produces. You can also chop it into salad. It's one of the varieties that we call fun and fruity varieties of mint. Really fruity, really light, sweet flavour. Some of the street food chefs that we've worked with have done some incredible things with pineapple mint. I'm not going to talk too much about the foodie options with pineapple mint though, because I think this is a really ornamental variety of herb plant, as well as being a fantastic foodie option. Can you see the colouring on that foliage? Just look at that. It's variegation, so it's meant to have that white colour. We're often asked about why pineapple mint leaves are turning like that. And when this plant gets bigger, the variegation looks spectacular. It's really at home in a flower arrangement or in an ornamental border, so long as you keep it contained, because like all other varieties of mint, pineapple mint is going to spread really aggressively, and I mean aggressively. If you give this variety a chance, it will take over the pot that it's in, the flower bed that it's in, and eventually your herb garden. It sends out these runners that actually root, so just keep an eye on, make sure it's not taking over neighbouring pots as well. Pineapple mint is really easy to grow. It's quite winter resilient. We have no problems overwintering pineapple mint here. We leave it in a sheltered spot outside, and when the foliage starts to die back, we just chop it back, and each spring it will regrow and produce this beautiful plant once again. It's perfect for growing in a raised bed or a container, and you're going to actually position this somewhere in full sun or partial shade. It will survive quite shaded conditions as well. In the past we've actually grown pineapple mint in quite a shaded courtyard. It's grown absolutely fine. It would grow a lot quicker in lighter conditions, but really versatile, really easy. Just do yourself a favour and keep it in a pot. As pineapple mint grows, just chop it back regularly, prune it back to encourage that really positive growth. Put those clippings into a drink or a mixed salad and you won't regret it. Guys, I really hope that you've enjoyed meeting pineapple mint today. Have you grown pineapple mint before? And especially actually if you're watching this in the USA, drop me a comment and let me know if you've got a local supplier that supplies pineapple mint. We'd love to shout them out on our social media. Build that connection across the pond. Really hope that you've enjoyed this video, guys. If you have, drop me a comment below. I really hope you've enjoyed meeting pineapple mint.